Of course I have to get this 56 Dodge, half ton. Little Hemi under the hood. That'll goose along pretty good. It's a 331, backed by the T170 4-speed OD. It's got a Mopar 8.15 rear. Was it running? Little radiator, drop axle disc brakes. Oh, look at that. That's so Frankenstein. It's great. Look at this girl. The echoes in here are fantastic. Turn signals. Look at the defrost vents. That is so cool. Vacuum wipers. You could stand up in here. Well, I could stand up in here. This is really sweet. Really sweet. Very unusual. Sliding doors. Pocket doors, just like the Kaiser Darren. That is so cool. Little bread truck. It's got some rot on her, but I don't care. She is so cool. What if I shrink it down a bit? No, I can't. It's just the truck is that big. You can see the rot along there. There's your exhaust. Some more rot down there. But I don't care. Where have you seen another one? Look at that. Window arrangement. Is that cool? That is so sweet. That really is so sweet. Highly unusual because they're work trucks. Again, 46 Dodge, 56 Dodge, half ton. Asking 27.5 or trade, best offer, whatever.